Enforcement with OPSCOM is as easy as taking a picture. We begin by capturing the license plate. Once the plate is captured, officers can view further details on the vehicle. In our example, we can see that this vehicle has one past violation that is yet unpaid and 0 warnings. There are 3 actions that can be taken by the officer: e-chalk the vehicle, issue a citation, or view further details. Let's perform an e-chalk on this vehicle by tapping on Virtual Chalk. The officer will select the location description, add optional comments, and then tap Save to continue. For demonstration purposes, we'll read the plate 7 minutes later. The officer will now see the time from the last chalk record displayed. We can now issue a warning or a citation by tapping on New Violation. The officer can fill in any missing information, but since this particular vehicle is already registered in the system, we will see the descriptive information that was provided by the registered user. In this example, the officer will select Parked with an expired parking permit as the offense. At this point, we can save and print the ticket to place on the vehicle. The information is now stored on the handheld and is ready to sync with OPSCOM. We can either go back to the main menu and wait for the system to auto-sync at a configured time interval, or we can perform a manual sync. Tap on Synchronize Data to send new data to OPSCOM and simultaneously receive any new data from OPSCOM. It's that easy. And now the process is complete. In addition to plate search, OPSCOM can also search by permit number and have all the same functionality as a plate search. We can also search using a person's last name. OPSCOM also has the option of issuing a citation to a person rather than a vehicle.